Good morning all of you. This is our first class of this session. Subject Physics, chapter number 1, Matter. Before we start the chapter, we have to know what is matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Matter exists in three different states: solids, liquids and gas. For example, pencil is a solid, water is a liquid and air is a gas. Now, properties of the three states of matter. The properties of the three states: the solid have a fixed shape, size and volume, and here liquid do not have a fixed shape but have a fixed volume. But in case of gases, they do not have a fixed shape and volume. Here again in solids, it is not easily compressible and it doesn't flow easily. But in case of liquids, more easily compressible compared to solids, flow easily from higher level to lower level, as we know that water falls from higher level to lower level. Now in gases, easily compressible, as we have seen in gas balloons, and can flow in all directions. It can flow anywhere, any direction. Now, composition of matter. Atoms are the building blocks of matter. When all the atoms that makes up a substance are of the same type, then the substance is called element. For example, oxygen, O2. It is a combination of same type of atom. Whereas when two or more molecules combines, they form a compound. For example, water, H2O, combination of hydrogen and oxygen molecules. Now we will move to kinetic theory of matters. It states that matter is made up of particles and they are always in motion. They are always in motion. Now, arrangement of molecules in matter. Let us look at the arrangement of molecules in three states of matter. We know that the three states are solids, liquids and gases. In solids, the molecules are very tightly or closely packed, as because of that they are very strong and they are rigid. Okay, whereas in case of liquids, they are closely packed but slightly farther and they can take shape of any of the object where it is put. Whereas in case of gases, they are very loosely packed so that they can flow from here and there. That is why they are very easily compressible and flow freely. Now, energy content in the three states of matter. As we know that the temperature of matter increases, particles move quickly because they have more energy. Decrease in temperature results in slower movement of particles. These changes in energy cause the changes in the states of matter. In solids, particles have less energy because they are very tightly packed and they don't have more space to move freely. Whereas in liquids, particles have more energy because their molecules are slightly apart from them. Whereas in case of gases, they have lots of space to move freely. That is why they have lots of energy. Okay, next day we will conclude the chapter. Thank you.